A lot of us want someone else to make a decision for us, right? In fact, right now, maybe there's a decision that you need to make. You have two opportunities in front of you, but you're not sure which one to choose, and therefore you let time be the deciding factor. Is that wise? Is that smart? Well, check this out. There's a little test you can do. Let's say you are deciding about going to a conference or a concert or some kind of opportunity, and let's say that you're just staring at the opportunity again and again, and you go to the Ticketmaster location, you go to the website, and it's there, it's staring at you. Well, what happens? Let's say you go there the next day and it says sold out. What do you feel inside? It's a great question. What do you feel inside? If you're like most people, they feel a loss. They feel like, oh my gosh, I lost an opportunity. It's no longer available to me. And in that moment, that's the voice you need to listen to. In other words, there was this event that I stared at for a long time. Why? Because it costs time, it costs money, it's work. And I went to the website, and I went to the website, and I went to the website. I mean, we're talking for like days or weeks, and that's very odd. Normally I make decisions right away, but not this time. So what happened? I decided to go for it. I decided to say yes. I said, you know what? I'm absolutely going to do that event. And sure enough, I did it. And guess what? I went back just like 2 months later, yesterday, and it says sold out. And inside I feel like, yes, I made the decision. In other words, seeing the fact that the event was sold out made me realize that I had made the right decision. Now, what if it didn't say sold out? Well, then I would have to go to the event to know if it was worth it or not. But the thing is that when that opportunity was gone from me and I no longer could even have the option to choose to go or not, inside myself, I knew that that was the right decision. Guys, you can do this. You can absolutely do this right now. What decision are you waiting, delaying, deliberating about right now in front of you? And then literally trick your brain into saying, what would happen if that event was sold out? If I no longer had that opportunity? And if you feel this massive loss in your heart, then chances are you need to go. Because that means you have regret. That means that if you were unable to go, you would have regret. Now, is that the ultimate decision maker in your life? I don't know. I'm just saying something that works for me. And I use this strategy many times in life. Let's say my son and I are debating whether to go to a game or not, to watch a game. All right. Look at the tickets, look at the tickets, look at the tickets. They're available, they're available, they're available. Now they're gone. And if I had regret and said, bummer, Keegan and I could have had a great time. We could have built some memories. We could have done this. Okay, great. I should have done that. So next time you go to some page online, and if that page were sold out, would you have regrets? Well, live a life with no regret. Live a life where you are taking action on your dream. This is Kary Oberbrunner. Be a soul on fire. Love to hear your thoughts on this topic. We'll see you.